this is a how to build Barbasol video. Okay, so first of all, we start with a long slanted brick. Goes on the 4x2. To make sure you have a little 2x1 little space right there. So put the 2x1 brick in the space, and yeah, we'll put that aside. Okay, so you put these small slanted bricks right onto here. It has to look like this. You don't really need the color, but I don't care what you do actually. You just need the bricks. Okay? So yeah. Okay, so I'll put that aside actually now. Okay, so these 2x1 little dots go on the 1x1 little dots. I've been getting them off day. Goes on the 1x2 brick. And then on the, see this sticky place thing? Yeah, I don't know how to say that. But it goes right here. And for you guys to think this is advanced, it's actually not. Most of you guys have this brick, I assume. So you put just right on the bottom tip of it. Okay, we're going back to this guy. Okay, now this 4x1 brick, it can be dark, but I really need to be dark green. There's like this slanted seed planting to like flowers to bloom, and it goes on the tippy top right here to keep these guys in balance. Okay, so see there's one more remaining piece. You just put it here and just make it stay like that. Okay, now this is your finished Barbasol. It's not that impressive, but most of you guys have a lot of these bricks, maybe not all, but the video